Good afternoon, class. Welcome sa ating part 5 ng Accounting Review online class. At alam ko nag-enjoy kayo sa pag-aaral ng accounting, so tuloy-tuloy lang. Today, we will focus naman sa concepts. Okay, magre-review tayo ng concepts. Bakit, sir, mahalaga ba yung mga concepts na yan? Kasi syempre, yung mga concepts na to, ito yung gagamitin mo para kapag nagsosolve ka na ng mga accounting problems, mai-apply mo sila. Syempre, kahit na gaano mo kagustong mag-solve ng kahit anong accounting problem, hindi mo yan magagawa ng maayos, hindi ka tatama ng maayos kung hindi mo alam yung concepts behind it. Kaya nga napapansin nyo, pag nagdi-discuss ako ng accounting problem, binabalikan ulit natin yung mga concepts na diniscuss natin before dun sa accounting discussions natin kasi sobrang halaga sila when we are applying them sa mga problems. Okay, kasi magbabago yung sagot mo pag iba yung interpretation mo dun sa concept. Okay, sige. So, let's read. Number 1. What is the correct order of the following events in the accounting process? So, this question tests our understanding kung alam ba talaga natin yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng accounting cycle. Sige, kunin muna natin yung book para may reference tayo sa pagkakasunod-sunod nila. Wait lang. Ito na. Okay, there you go. So, master na natin yung mga first three steps, 'di ba? Yung analyzing and identifying the events to be recorded. We have the recording transactions in the journal. For short, journalizing. Third step will be posting. Fourth step, preparation of the trial balance or TB kung tawagin. Number 5, we have the preparation of the worksheet and adjusting entries. Number 6, we have the preparation of the FS. Number 7, we have the journalizing and posting of adjusting journal entries. So, grabe, ang dami palang steps nito at mapapansin nyo, ang daming uri ng journal entries. Meron tayong initial journal entries, ito yun. So, number 2, ito yung initial journal entries, ito yung mga pinakaunang journal entries natin. Okay? Tapos ngayon, nabasa natin, meron tayong, sa number 7, meron tayong adjusting journal entries. So, pagkatapos pala ng initial journal entries, after some time, gagawa naman tayo ng adjusting journal entries. Sir, bakit kaya tayo gumagawa ng adjusting journal entries? The primary purpose is to adjust para maitama or mai-update yung mga balanse ng bahay natin. I will teach yung adjusting journal entries thoroughly naman kapag nandun na tayo. Pero for now, ang tandaan nyo lang, adjusting journal entries are made to correct and to adjust and to update the balances of the houses. Yung mga T-accounts, yung mga balanse ng accounts natin, kailangan yan maging updated kapag year-end na. Diba you remember, bawat year, bawat accounting period, whether that is natural business year or fiscal year, or pwede namang ang ginamit nila ay accounting year ay calendar period. Bawat period na yan, kailangan sila mag-present ng financial statements. At dapat kapag nag-present na sila ng financial statements, dapat ang basis nila is the adjusted balances. Yung mga updated balances na. At gagamitin natin ang adjusting journal entries to update the account balances. Okay? Para kapag nag-present na tayo ng financial statements, maayos na at maganda na siyang basahin ng mga statement users para hindi sila mislead dun sa gagawin nilang information decision making. Okay, sige. Number 7 naman. Again, number 7, we have the adjusting journal entries. Number 8, we have the closing. So, after pala ng adjusting entries, after some time, gagawa naman tayo ng closing journal entries. So, tuturo ko kung alin yung mga subject to closing, yung mga hindi dapat i-close, thoroughly naman dun sa separate lesson natin about closing entries. Okay. And number 9, meron pa yan. 10 kasi yan. Number 9, we have the preparation of the post-closing TB. And the number 10, journalizing and posting of reversing journal entries. So, grabe. Umabot na tayo ng reversing journal entries. So, recall natin yung mga journal entries na makakasalamuhan natin, magagawa natin throughout the accounting cycle. We have the initial journal entries. Okay. Pakita ko dito sa libro. We have here the initial journal entries. Ito yung number 2. Okay. Next naman, we have the adjusting entries on number 7. And the number 8 refers to the closing entries. Number 9, we have the wala yan. Number 10, ito yung reversing entries. So, recall natin ng sobrang mabilis. We have the initial journal entries. We have the adjusting journal entries. we have the closing journal entries and the reversing journal entries. So basically, meron tayong apat na journal entries na gagawin. At yan ay nasa logical order na binanggit natin. So, tandaan nyo lang yun at hindi kayo maliligaw sa accounting cycle natin. Okay? Sige. So, let's read this question here. Sabi dun sa question, we need to arrange the following events in the accounting process. O, arrange natin daw siya in the correct order. So, let's see. Sige. Okay. Let us see kung ano ba yung tamang pagkakasunod-sunod niya. Okay? Nga pala, sabi dyan, di ba? So, kung mapapansin mo, ang mga pinapaayos sa atin, number 1, the financial statements preparation. Number 2, adjusting entries. And number 3, nominal accounts are closed. So, ano kaya yung tinutukoy sa number 3? So, narinig mo yung word na close? Tinutukoy dyan, anak, ay closing entries. Okay? Sa number 2 naman, adjusting entries are recorded. Tumutukoy siya sa adjusting entries. Sa number 3, walang duda yan ay ang closing entries. So, ano kaya nauna? Adjusting entries or closing entries? Sa tingin nyo, ano yung nauna? Adjusting entries ba or closing entries? So, nauna muna yung adjusting entries. Diba sabi natin, nung nagre-review tayo, that adjusting entries are being prepared, they are being made, and they are recorded on the books of the entity. Anong purpose natin? Para kapag gumawa tayo ng financial statements, yung mga statement users na magbabasa ng financial statements natin, ang mababasa nila is the updated balances of the accounts. Meaning, nauna mong gawin ang adjusting entries bago ka makagawa ng financial statements. Then, after some time, sabi ko nga, diba, after some time na gumawa ka ng adjusting entries, gagawa ka ng closing entries. Okay? So, again, sabi natin, hindi lahat kino-close. So, tuturo ko naman yan in the future. Tuturo ko alin yung dapat isara, alin yung dapat hindi isara. Okay, so, correct answer for this is letter B. Okay, kasi dapat mauna muna yung adjusting entries, tapos, dun ka pa lang pwedeng makapag-release ng financial statements, and then, you need to do closing entries after some time. Okay? Kasi 'di ba nung nagre-review tayo, ang pagkakasunod-sunod ng mga journal entries natin nakakalat sa buong accounting cycle. Una, we have the initial journal entries, we have the adjusting journal entries, the closing journal entries, and the reversing journal entries. Again, inipon lang natin yung uri ng mga journal entries at pinagsunod-sunod. Pero syempre, sa kanila meron pa ring mga parang may mga process pa rin in between of those creation or recording of those journal entries. Okay? Kaya may sumingit dun sa kaya napansin niyo may sumingit dun sa adjusting and closing entries. Kasi pero 'di ba, magkasunod naman talaga ang adjusting and closing entries. Kung pag-uusapan ay arrangement of journal entries being made. Pero syempre, kung logical order of the accounting process, we will follow the complete set wherein may mga process in between of those journal entry preparation. Okay, I hope you get it. So again, final answer is letter boy. So, una dapat ang adjusting, and then pag adjusted na, again, the main goal of adjusting entries is to update the balances of each accounts para sa FS preparation. So, after na adjusting, syempre, you will prepare FS, and then, pangatlo, you will close. Okay? Kung yan yung given, yan yung pagkakaayos niya. Okay. And syempre, ganun din naman ang question number 2. So, I will give the answer. The answer there is letter boy. Okay? So, it's your task to analyze this one. Number 2 is letter boy. For your reference in the accounting cycle, you may refer to page 80 to 81 of our required textbook. Okay. Next naman, we have number 3. Okay? Number 3, let's read the question. Sabi niya, the use of computers in processing accounting data. So, let me give you a quick background of number 3. Okay? Dati kasi yung mga sinuunang accountants, talagang ang gamit nila manual. Kumbaga, if they are accounting for a certain business, ang ginagamit talaga nila, columnars. Columnars after columnars after columnars. So, ibig sabihin, maraming papel yung ginagawa nila at yung iba talaga handwritten yung pag-account nila. But, syempre, to the emergence of technology, computers, mas napadali yung accounting. Okay? So, ang nangyari, computers na yung tumutulong sa atin sa pag-record, okay? Sa pag-journalize, sa pagpo-post, at sa paggawa pa ng mga ibang steps dun sa accounting cycle. Okay? Pero syempre, hindi pwedeng maalis ang accountant kasi siya pa rin yung mag-a-analyze nun. Okay, computer lang yung magpa-process pero hindi kayang gawin ng computer ang analysis kasi nga wala siyang analytical thinking. Okay, ang kaya niya lang ay yung artificial intelligence niya, which is syempre hindi naman yun subject sa judgment. Okay, wala namang judgment ang computer. Hindi kagaya ng accountant na meron siyang judgment about certain transactions. Okay, so sige, balik tayo dito. Sa number 3 kasi, kapag gumamit ka na ng computer, magbabago na ang ang konteksto ng accounting. So, let's recall yung isang step natin sa accounting. 'Di ba? Nag-journalize tayo. Okay, hanapin ko lang yung past discussions about the journalizing. Okay? So, let's see. Here you go. Okay, so if you remember this paper, it was used on past videos, yung mga naunang videos natin wherein nakita natin na kapag may mali pala natutunan natin, we just need to write you just need to cross out by one horizontal line and write the corrected one, I mean the correct word or number above it, pero within the box pa rin, okay? Okay, so the primary purpose kaya pinapagawa yan kapag manual bookkeeping is para makita pa rin natin ano yung mali. Parang meron pa ring bakas ng pagkakamali para alam pa rin nung magbabasa in the future na nagkamali siya from this amount. Pare dito sa example na to, kung may magbabasa na bagong accountant, masasabi niya na nagkamali yung accountant niya from 800,000 ginawang 800. So at least malalaman meron pa ring bakas yung mga binabago nating mga amounts or words. Okay? So, kaya hindi gumagamit ng correction tape sa accounting kasi kailangan pa ring malaman yung bakas. Okay? Kasi baka dinadaya na pala, hindi pa natin alam. So, kailangan pa rin nating ma-preserve yung footprints of the crime kung sakaling may crime. Okay? Pero kung valid naman yung pagbabago, at least meron tayong footprints of um, correct actions nung accountant. So, ang tawag dyan sa bakas natin, yung kumbaga kung may naglakad na aso, di ba babakas yung po nung aso. Ang tawag natin sa accounting is audit trail. Okay? Ang tawag dyan audit trail. At yun yung bawal at wag na wag dapat tatanggalin yung audit trail kasi magagamit natin yan kapag nagka-anomalya. Okay? So, we'll go into that naman kapag nandun na tayo sa portion na naghahanap tayo ng mga mali sa accounting process natin. Okay? But since nandito pa lang tayo, let's try to answer number 3 with what we already discussed. Sige. So number 3, sabi niya, the use of computers in processing accounting data, letter A, sabi niya, eliminates the need for accountants. Tama ba na kapag gumamit ka na ng computer, hindi mo na kailangan ng accountants? So, mali. Kasi hindi naman nakakapag-isip ang computer. Meron lang siyang fixed artificial intelligence. Meron lang siyang yung computer, prinogram lang siya, pero hindi na kayang mag-decide. Kasi 'di ba pag accountant ka, you need judgment. You need a good accounting judgment which computers cannot render. So, mali yung letter A. Okay? Kasi kung totoo yung letter A, edi wala ng accountant kasi may computer na, di ba? Letter B naman, eliminates the double entry system as a basis for analyzing transactions. O let's review. Ang double entry bookkeeping system allows the use of debit credit. Ito yung gumagamit tayo ng debit credit to record a certain transaction, a recordable transaction under the journalizing process, 'di ba? Yun yung double entry bookkeeping system. So, basahin natin. Pag daw ba gumamit tayo ng computers, hindi na tayo magde-debit credit as a basis for analyzing transactions. Okay, what do you think? Kapag ba gumamit tayo ng computer, hindi na kailangan mag-debit credit ng computer na yun. Siyempre, mali. Kasi, although may computer, kailangan pa rin may debit credit. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, if you saw real and live accounting system. Kumbaga para siyang online system na siya na yung mismong magjo-journalize, tapos siya na rin yung magpo-post. Kaya na kasi yun ng computer. Siya yung gagawa ng ibang parts of the accounting. Siya na yung gagawa ng ibang parts of the accounting cycle. Kaya ng computer yun. Pero again, sabi ko nga, we cannot eliminate the need for accountants. So, mali yung letter B kasi hindi pa rin dapat mawala ang debit credit kahit na may computer na. Okay. So, mali yung letter boy natin. Letter C eliminates the need for financial reporting standards. Example nito yung mga rules natin about how to create financial statements. Pag ba may computer na, dapat wala ng rule kung paano gumawa ng financial statement. Siyempre, hindi pwede. Okay, so dapat kahit may computer na, meron pa ring financial statement standards para mag-guide yung mga accountants sa tamang paggawa ng financial statements. Sir, bakit maganda or bakit po dapat may standards or bakit dapat may rule sa paggawa ng financial statement? Kasi ang financial statement malayo ang nararating niyan eh, 'di ba? Kung tutusin, marami yung gumagamit niyan at kung ano man yung mabasa nila sa isang financial statement, merong kaakibat na decision making 'yon. So, baka pag mali yung financial statement, mali yung magawang decision ng mga users of financial information. Take note, sila yung dalawa, yung external at yung internal. So, our correct answer in number 3 is letter dog. Okay? Letter dog, basahin natin. May result from the elimination of document or audit trails used to verify accounting records. Ito na nga yun, di ba? Sabi ko nga, pag gumawa ka ng accounting sa computer, kapag nagkamali ka, what will you do? Di ba? You just press delete or backspace wherein hindi mo na malalaman kung ano yung sinulat dati. So, nawala yung audit trail, yung bakas. Okay? So, yun yung sinasabi natin sa letter dog. Kaya yun yung correct answer. Next naman, let's proceed with number 4, which is false, concerning the rules of debit and credit. So, pag narinig nyo, yung rules of debit and credit, dapat ang maiisip mo will be the dealer. At saan nga pala ang hati ng dealer? Ito yun. Okay? Yun yung gagamitin natin na rules on debit and credit. Okay? That is to answer our question number 4. Okay. Sulat ko nga pala yung sagot dito. 3 is letter dog. So, let's have a quick recall muna nung answers natin. Number 1 is boy, number 2 is boy, and number 3 is dog. Okay. For number 4, let's start. Let's read each choices para malinawan kayo. Okay. Number 4, sabi niya, again hinahanap natin yung false regarding the debit-credit rules. Okay. Letter A, the left side of an account. Kaya, yung account, yan yung account. Okay, yung left side daw ng account, meaning yung left side daw ba ng T account, the left side of an account is always the debit side and the right side is always the credit side. Tama daw ba yun? Yes, very good, tama yun. Kasi maski anong account naman yan, kaya, cash yan, yung debit yan laging right at yung credit yan laging left. Baligtad. Yung pag sinabi nating, 'di ba, ang pagkaka-discuss ko sa inyo, pag sinabi nating debit, okay? Pag sinabi nating debit, that is left, yun lang. Pag sinabing credit, that means right. So yun yung ibig sabihin ng debit credit, wala nang overthinking. So sa letter A, yun din yung sinasabi niya. So that is true. Okay, sulat natin dito, true. Kaya hindi yan yung sagot. Kasi ang hinahanap natin ay false. Number 2 naman, increases in assets and expenses are debit entries. Let's see. Increases daw in assets and expenses are debit entries. That is very good. Tuloy natin yung statement ng letter B. And increases in liabilities, equity, and revenue are credit entries. Let's see. Increases daw in liabilities, equity, and revenue are credit entries. That is also correct. Letter C. The normal balance of any account appears on the side for recording increases. That is correct kasi kapag ang tinatanong natin ay normal balance ng liability, yun yung side kung saan kapag tumaas yung account, yun siya. So, kung liability ang tinatanong. What is the normal balance of accounts payable? Dahil alam mo naman na ang accounts payable ay liability, titingin ka dito sa letter L. At alam mo syempre na kapag tumaas ang liability, credit yun. Kaya ang sagot sa normal balance ng accounts payable ay credit side. So, yun yung sinasabi ng letter C. So, napansin nyo, yung ABC ay tama. So, the correct answer is letter dog for number 4. Okay. So, number 4, basahin natin. The word debit means to increase and the word credit means to decrease. That is false. Kasi 'di ba ang sabi natin, the word debit means left and the word credit means right. Okay. So, hanggang dyan muna yung ating discussion for the day. We'll be back for number 5 onwards. Thank you.